Hi, welcome to the lecture Adding Inventory in the Xero. Now, before adding the inventory, let's learn about tracked and untracked inventory. So, inventory feature is helpful for reseller or wholesaler. By using tracked inventory, Xero calculates the stock count and stock value of the product for specific date. Xero also matches revenue with expense. Xero tracks up to 4,000 items using track inventory feature. This feature is not suitable for service business obviously and manufacturer. If you have more than 4,000 items, then Xero does not allow to use track inventory, or if you are using any other software to track the inventory like Deer system. Now let's go to the Xero and create the product using track inventory. Okay, now let's add the inventory in Xero. For it, we need to enter the item code. I'm just entering the random code. Chair 1. I want to track this inventory. Okay. Now Xero will ask for the inventory asset account. This is the account we have created from the chart of accounts. You can create the one account or multiple accounts for any specific items. Now Xero is asking for this information. What is the purchase value of this chair? Suppose it is $10. So now we need to assign the cost of goods sold account. Assign 500 cost of goods sold. Now let me guess GST is applicable. Then we select GST 10%, and here we can enter the description. I'll sell this item in $15. Sales account, sales or sales of chair. You need to create the account in chart of accounts, then GST 10%. And here we write the narration. Please note that this GST rate for purchase and sale are most of the time will be equal. Now click on save. Okay, here quantity is 0, we will add the quantity later. Then let's create another item A56 share 2. Inventory unit price is 15. Tax 10%. I am selling it 25. Okay, save. Now pause the video and create 5 inventory items using tracking category in your Xero. Then we will import the inventory opening balance in next lecture.